Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn on notifications for text messages. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Messages app on your phone. This is where all your text conversations are stored. Step 2. Next, tap on your profile icon. You'll find it inside the search box at the top of the screen. Step 3. Now, a pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Message Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your messaging experience. Step 4. Once you're in the settings, tap on General. This section contains various options related to your messaging app. Step 4. Now, look for Notifications and tap on it. This is where you can manage all notification preferences for your text messages. Step 5. Finally, tap on Allowed Notifications to enable notifications for your messages. Once turned on, you'll start receiving alerts whenever you get a new text message. That's it. You've successfully turned on text message notifications. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.